You've most likely already tried a bunch of non-working methods from the internet, or you just downloaded Photoshop and get this pop-up after which the program shuts down. There is a working solution that actually helps. This method is free and widely used by thousands of developers, home users, and offices. You can check the code on GitHub, where you can also download it. I'll show you how to install and use it. Even if you're completely new to using a PC, you'll be able to do this without any problems. So let's get started. Type Simple Wall in the Google search bar. Go to the project page on GitHub and click the corresponding link to access it. Click here. Find the file with the .exe extension and click on it. Click Save. You can move the file to any location you prefer. In your browser's Downloads section, the file will appear. Click on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the program does not appear, type Simple Wall in the Windows search bar. For some users, an antivirus may delete the file. In this case, you'll need to temporarily disable it and download the file again. But that is a topic for another video on my channel. Click on this green shield. It should turn red. Launch your Photoshop. When the window appears, like in the screenshot, block Photoshop and all suspicious files from accessing the internet. Allow access only for necessary programs, such as your web browser for internet browsing. Useful to know, if the indicator light is on, it means the program is running and blocking. In the settings, you can enable Auto Start when the computer is turned on. After turning on, the program will automatically show a window for you to confirm the launch. And by the way, the program uses very few resources, so it doesn't put any load on your hardware.